everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Ecash coin, XEC coin. What's the price? What's the price changes over in the Ecash coin? Let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. This time, guys, if we talk about the currently live and latest price of Ecash coin, XEC coin in the market. So now you can see here the currently price of XEC coin is about 0.00001913 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Ecash coin. Other side, guys, if we talk about the changes update of XEC coin, so unfortunately now a lot of people are talking me about that, make a video about XEC coin. Now again, Ecash coin is going in the low, so what should we do? Now a lot of people are again confused that the content is changed, that is the good time to buy, sell, or hold. So guys, that's simply, guys, I also predicated many times, too many times, guys, that to the last of 31 October, Ecash coin will continue a positive trend. So that's clear that only you have to hold. You have to hold. I recommend for all of you to holding. Let me show you some details about XEC coin. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people, especially the short-time investor, decide to sell. But guys, you know what? I believe that now days remaining in the ending of October. So I believe 80 to 70% now possibilities that in the upcoming 5 to 6 days the price will more pump. So don't lose hope, guys. Just hold it. It needs time, guys. So just hold. Never decide to sell. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Ecash coin? Share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.